What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on XRP Ripple.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, guys, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the general sentiment of the crypto market, and I will show you what potential do we have in the grand scheme of things. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next from the Ripple price in particular. So, before we dive deep into all of this, guys, if you want to enhance your trading skills, if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. And guys, for now there is a Black Friday sale. And if you want to join my Discord account, you can do it with the 50% discount. This means for about 50 cents a day you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And I have to admit that you can use my experience of about 13 years in crypto and on stock market, and you can use my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. And I think it is quite fair deal. So guys, let's take a look at its price action in general. I have to admit that right after this pretty much sideways movement for several years, Ripple finally broke its previous swing highs, and it has quite substantial volume during this movement. And this movement from the very beginning of November till present day to its swing high gained about 152% to its value. And guys, this point is not a coincidence. This movement started right after the election results were disclosed, and we know that Donald Trump won this presidential race. And in one of his interviews, he stated that Gary Gensler will be fired on day one of Donald Trump's presidency. And guys, Gary Gensler is the person who was the main actor in the saga, which suppressed the XRP value for quite a long period of time. And with his resignation, I think we might see another quite substantial movement to the upside. And for now, let's take a look on a bigger scale, on the general sentiment of the crypto market. As you can see, we are still sitting in the total crypto market cap at $3.09 trillion. It is a tiny decrease over the last day for just 0.02%. And in general, I have to admit that all of the main cryptocurrencies are pretty much in green for the last 7 days. And this is quite good sign, and I have to admit that this is only the beginning of a new uptrend. And you can watch the video that I made a couple of days ago on Bitcoin, where I explained to you on which levels this coin might go. And Bitcoin is the leader among all of the cryptocurrencies, and this means all other altcoins will skyrocket within next several months. And guys, take a look on some news that is directly related to XRP. Here you can see that just 1 hour ago, Ripple News: will XRP ETFs debut after Gensler resignation? And yes, the Gary Gensler resignation is the main potential catalyst that might drive for the price of XRP much higher. And in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely it is very difficult to make a proper breakdown of this movement from May 14th of 2022 till present day, because it is pretty much a sideways movement. But we have several crucial pivotal points, this low, this high and this low. And in a minute I will show you how we can use it in order to project its medium-term price target. On top of that, guys, I have to admit that most likely this movement, this quite substantial movement to the upside, is nothing else but the wave 3. And we have to see a wave 4 retracement, and probably it already done right here. And then we have to see another leg to the upside that will hit higher targets. So first of all, let me make some breakdown of this wave, and let me switch first of all to hourly time frame. As you can see, this movement to the upside Wait a second. It has a huge extension in the fifth wave, and if I count it properly, we might have wait a second. From the lowest point we might have this is tiny first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Next one, again ABC correction to the downside. Let me show you more thoroughly. Then another movement to the upside on the same scale, and we might have, this is our first, second, third, fourth, and we have to see another leg to the upside. And guys, on this scale we completed just 2 out of 3 impulsive waves, and this means if this asset will complete its fifth wave, it will be only the third wave on a bigger scale, and in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. But for now, let's take a look on this structure in particular. I have to say that from this bottom, if I pull the Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top, we can see that it clearly hit the 0.382. It is pretty much the confluence range with the psychological number of $1, and we have a very good reaction out of this. And guys, I have to say that, wait a second, this first movement to the downside has only 3 wave structure. This means it is either wave A on the ABC correction or wave A on ABCDE correction. And for now, I think this pattern in general might be ABCDE correction. It is some kind of triangle that usually happens on the fourth waves, and it is another evidence that potentially we have at least one more leg to the upside on this scale to hit high targets. And where we might land, guys, you might wonder where we might land. In order to project the price target, and if this bottom holds, if this asset will not break its previous swing low at this point, we might have the following price target. If I pull the Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement, we have 0.786 as the top of the most common price target for this for the fifth wave compared to the third one. So I don't need this tool, and guys, remember this price target. From this point we might have up to 36% of upside potential, and if this asset breaks this bottom, we will have to adjust this tool as well. But guys, if I zoom out to a daily time frame, and let me show you this swing low, this swing high, and this swing low. I don't want to dig deeper inside these waves, but we can also assume that if this entire movement was the first wave diagonal, this was the second, and this is the third wave, we can project the price target of the third wave. And guys, let's mark this wave so like this. From this bottom, if I pull the Fib extension to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, what do we have right here? Wait a second. The 1.618 extension is the most common extension in the third wave compared to the first wave. And this means, guys, we have a confluence of the price targets, pretty much the same price target of $1.48 and the same price target of $1.5. This means this range is the short and medium term price target to complete the fifth wave on a smaller scale. And this movement, wait a second, I will show you more properly. Let's switch to 2 hours time frame. Let's do it like this. And if and when it happens, it will be only the third wave on a bigger scale. Then we will have a retracement, and we will have another huge wave to the upside to complete its movement on a slightly bigger scale. And guys, if you like this type of forecasts, let me show you that you can use this trade as a reference trade. You should put your stop loss slightly below $1 mark, and you can aim to the ranges of about 1.49 or $1.5, and it is a 3.95 risk to reward ratio with a downside potential of roughly 9% and with an upside potential of roughly 35 almost 36%. And guys, if this asset goes lower, you can dollar cost averaging to this point, and this will drastically reduce your downside potential and it will drastically improve your upside potential as well. That is why, guys, this strategy is very important to understand, because it gives you more chances to be consistently profitable. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on